Hey, what's up, XRP holder? It's time to my brothers take a risk, and very badly, my friend, very badly. The price is decreased now. So definitely, my friend, it's just in only last 24 hours, my brother. So just in only, my friends, holders are starting investing in those days. But definitely, my friend, especially when short-term investor sales to absolutely, they will very badly fails down. So I just, my brother, share my opinion. This is not a financial video. I just advise you, kindly holder, please, before you take any decision, research personally, and after that, my friends, take a decision. My brother, in last 24 hours, you can see a minus 5.31%. XRP well lost now, and definitely holder ask me this question very highly, my brothers, too. What's this? What's this? Why they were face down? Because, my brother, in last 7 days, this coin is completely normally moving upward now. But why, my brother, in last 24 hours the coin is fails down? So I will tell you, my brother, this is the main. There are two main reasons, my friend. The first big and huge reason is that, my brothers, especially when short-term investors, they are starting selling, so definitely they were very badly fails down. And when, my brother, absolutely, my friend, after a huge, when they take a huge jump, so after a jump they will fails down. Remember to, after a jump they will dump, and after a dump they will pump. So absolutely, my friend, I hope in upcoming time they will also take a very huge jump now after this bad dump. But just in only, my friends, need if you are investing, if you are hold. Thanks for watching XRP holder. My prediction is completely totally going to be positive now. And what's your opinion? What's your price prediction? Please tell us in the comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.